Joining us now this morning via Zoom is Elizabeth Carey. Elizabeth, you have had so many calls over the last 24 plus hours. Can you explain, we heard from you this morning via text, but tell us where some of those stranded cars are right now, some of the most of them.
Yeah, well, right now we're hearing about some stranded vehicles on the 33. All the people that had called into AAA, as of about midnight last night, we started handing those lists over to Erie County Emergency Services. So those warming shelters you just mentioned, a lot of the AAA stranded motorists were taken there. As of about 2 a.m., Erie County let us know that they checked on all of our stranded motorists, and we are just sending them new ones as we get them one by one. So again, at this time, we're asking people to stay home. I mean, it's a question of staying at your house or ending up in one of these shelters, or worse off, ending up on the side of the road.
Elizabeth, you mentioned how you work and are in touch with Erie County Emergency Services. Can you give us a better idea the communication between AAA and police, emergency services, how you guys work together overnight?
Yeah, so what happened is, like, yesterday afternoon, about 2, 3 o'clock, all of a sudden things started taking a turn for the worse, and the snow really became unmanageable in some areas based on stranded vehicles just stuck, and plows couldn't get through and tow trucks couldn't get through. So some of the police agencies started turning our tow trucks away, saying it's not safe. We can't let anybody else go down this road. So we were like, what should we do? And we started communication with Erie County. We had been at their press conference earlier in the week. So, we had those lines of communication open. So we were like, what can we do? What should we do in this situation? We started advising all of our stranded motorists, just call 911 because they're turning away our tow trucks. I mean, AAA changes tires on the roadside, and this turned into more of a rescue operation. So Erie County was really good about saying, you know what, let's try this, and there was a few different lines of communication open, and we were really thankful by the end of the evening last night that we had a plan in place, and they were really checking on every vehicle we let them know about, but also every other vehicle they found on the side of the road as well.
That's amazing. You told us this morning that the cars on the 400 and 219 that were stranded, most of those are gone now. You have helped those vehicles. Can you tell us, and do you have a rough estimate of how many cars, how many calls you've gotten over the last 24 hours?
Hundreds. I mean, our call volume for a typical day was exceeded by midday yesterday. So we've had an unbelievable number of calls. Most of the calls, the majority were for winch out. So you take a tow truck, you use the winch, and you pull the car back up onto the road. I mean, the calls for winches were up 130% compared to an average day yesterday afternoon. So it was a situation with a lot of cars going off the road. And these were all in the driving ban area where these cars were stranded. And so then we suspended at-home service and just told people, if you're at home and you're safe, we're not going to even attempt to try to get you because the roads were impassable at that point.
Wow.
All right, Elizabeth Carey, thanks so much for being with us. The AAA men and women out there doing a lot of important work out there, as are our emergency services. Elizabeth, thanks so much. And we also want to point out a lot of cars that are getting stuck, in case you did not hear this last night, are getting towed to the McKinley Mall parking lot where the former Sears lot is there. Well,